Welcome to my channel video. Profit and loss report. Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Now. I will be teacher to teach you how to make profit and loss in just 5 minutes. You only know how money come and go out in business. Are you sure your business is profitable? Let's learn with Miss Risma in just 5 minutes. Let's go! What is this profit and loss report? Profit and loss report is one of the 4 important financial reports. The other 3 reports and cash flow, balance sheet, and state of change in equity. Let's focus on income statement. Profit and loss is the income statement is financial report that show a company revenue, expense, and profit and loss over period. A business will be said to be profitable if the income is greater than expense, and the business will be said to be making a loss if expense are greater than income. Okay, next, let's get straight to transaction.
Transaction of album March ending company October 2025. October 1 beginning inventory of merchandise. October 3 purchase Mercedes for cash. October 6 purchase Mercedes on credit from PT Madujaya. October 7 paid freight in transportation costs. October 10 sold Mercedes for cash. October 14 sold Mercedes on account credit sales. October 16 sales return amount. October 18 great sales discount. October 20 paid sales expense. October 22 paid store rent expense. October 25 paid utility expense, electric and water. October 26 paid emergency expense. October 28 record depreciation expense and equipment. And the last, October 13 ending inventory of merchandise.
Profit and loss statement, there are total of number 1, net sales, number 2, cost of goods sold, number 3, gross profit, number 4, operating expense, and then number 5, net profit. Following example, compare profit and loss report. Guess how to make it? Let's go! The first, understand and diffuse transaction. Secondly, let's calculate net sales. Secondly, net sales consists of credit and sales cash, sales return, and sales discount. See transaction for cash sale on credit, sales return, and sales discount.
The transaction said that we cash sales on credit, sales return, and sales discount in the under period. October 10 sold Mercedes for cash. October 14 sold Mercedes of account. October 17 sales return amount. October 18 great sales discount.
Cash sale plus credit sale the result total sales. Total sales means sales return means sales discount the result total net sales. Thirdly, let's calculate cost of goods sold. See transaction of beginning inventory, purchase, grading, and ending inventory. How to calculate cost of goods sold? The formula is in below.
The transactions that there were beginning inventory, purchase, break-in, and ending inventory in the under period. October 1st, beginning inventory of Mercedes. On October 3rd, purchase Mercedes for cash. October 6th, purchase Mercedes on credit from PT Madujaya. October 7th, paid freight in transportation costs. October 13 ending inventory of Mercedes. Calculate cost of goods sold consists of beginning inventory plus purchase plus break-in, the result of what available for sale, mean ending inventory, the result cost of goods sold. Fourth, let's calculate gross profit. Gross profit, the result of substantiating net sale and cost of goods sold. Net sale means cost of goods sold. The result gross profit. Next, we will calculate net profit. To calculate net profit, we need to calculate total operating expense. See transaction forecast salary, expense, rent expense, utility expense, adversity expense, and depreciation expense. The transactions that were salaries expense, rent expense, utility expense, persisting expense, depreciation expense in the ending period. October 20, paid salaries expense. October 22, paid store rent expense. October 25, paid utility expense, electric and water. October 26, paid adversity expense. October 28, record depreciation expense on equipment. Calculate operating expense consists of salary expense plus rent expense plus utility expense plus adversity expense plus depreciation expense. The result of total operating expense. Next, net profit is calculated by subtracting gross profit from operating expense. Net profit, gross profit means total operating expense. The result, net profit. Next, we will enter the calculated result into the profit and loss template. Next, we will enter the calculated results into the profit and loss template. Let's go start! Let's put together a profit and loss statement. First, write the title of the financial report and the name, the company, and the period. This is a title of profit and loss report. Profit and loss report, album mark, period October 13 2025. Secondly, write down everything that is included in the net scale calculate. Profit and loss report, album mark, period, October 13 2025, and the first, write total sales ledger and sales discount, the result, total net sales. Thirdly, write down everything that is included in cost of goods sold calculation. Next, write beginning inventory, mean purchase, mean break-in, the result, cost of available for sales, mean ending inventory, the result of cost of goods sold. Next, do the same combine for operating expense and paste them net income calculation. The last, write salary expense plus rent expense plus utility expense plus adversity expense and plus depreciation expense. The result, total operating expense. Next, gross profit means total operating expense. The result, net income. Yay! Profit and loss report will be marked period October 2025. Learn with Miss Rusma in finish. Yay!